In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 running in slow motion in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your desktop, click on search and search for network connection. Here, right click on Ethernet, click on properties. Here in properties window, select Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on properties, then select use the following DNS server. In preferred DNS server, write 1111 and in alternate DNS server, write 1001. Then click on OK and close it. Again from desktop, go to search and search for CMD and click on Run as Administrator. In administration window, write ipconfig /flushdns. Hit enter, then close this window. From your desktop, again go to search and search for graphics settings and open it. Here in the search bar, search for your game. In my case, Battlefield is not downloaded yet, so I will search for Roblox. Then click on your game, click on GPU preference or option and select either power saving or high performance, which works better in your case. So that's how you can fix Battlefield 6 running in slow motion in just few easy steps.